पोल्यूशन कितना बढ़ गया है आजकल। चलो आज पोल्यूशन के बारे में ही पढ़ेंगे। जय हिंद एवरीवन, आई एम कैडेट ऐश्वर्या छाबड़ा एंड आज हम सोशल अवेयरनेस के टॉपिक का चैप्टर का लास्ट टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे विच इज पोल्यूशन। सबको पता है क्या होता है पोल्यूशन, बस आज थोड़ी सी नॉलेज मैं भी बांट दूंगी। सो नंबर वन थिंग इज टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूटेंट्स, ठीक है। लेकिन उससे पहले क्या होता है पोल्यूशन? The term pollution refers to any substance that negatively impacts the environment or organisms that live within the affected environment. The five major types of pollution include, ये हम सबको पता है, air, water, soil, light and noise. ठीक है? Then is air. सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे air pollution. A major source of air pollution results from the burning of fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels? Coal is fossil fuel. ठीक है? तो fossil fuels, vehicle and factory emissions are common sources of this type of air pollution. The burning of fossil fuels contributes to the formation of smog, a dense layer of particulate matter that hangs like a cloud over many major cities and industrial zones, like Delhi. We all know about, right? Smoke and fog together, smog, right? Air pollution contributes to respiratory problems such as asthma, lung cancer, chronic bronchitis, and other lung ailments. Nitrogen and sulfur oxides in the air contribute to acid rain, which is, okay, acid rain with acidic pH, of course, less than 7. Which is not healthy at all, very harmful, which is a form of precipitation with a lower pH than normal. Acid rain harms forest species that live in water bodies and degrades outdoor statues, monuments and buildings. I hope all of us know about Taj Mahal, right? It is turning yellow. Why? Because of pollution, air pollution. Right? Degrades outdoor statues, monuments and buildings. Right? So then we have to talk about water pollution. A major source of water pollution is runoff from agricultural fields, industrial sites or urban areas. Runoff disrupts the water body's natural balance. For example, agricultural runoff typically includes fertilizer for toxic chemicals. Fertilizer can cause algal blooms. What are algal blooms? An explosive growth of algae, है ना? Choking out other plants and decreasing the amount of available oxygen necessary for the survival of other species. Raw sewage is another type of water pollutant. When sewage gets into the drinking water supply, serious stomach and digestive issues may result, including the spread of diseases such as typhoid or dysentery. A third source of water pollution is trash. Improperly disposed trash, such as plastic bags, fishing line and other materials, polythenes वगैरह, may accumulate in the water and lead to premature death of animals that get tangled within the garbage. I remember seeing a video in which I think a shark had so many polythene bags and plastic bags in the stomach and all over it. It was pathetic, but that is the truth of today, and which is very harmful for all these animals, these creatures, aquatic creatures. Right, then we have soil pollution, which we are going to talk about. Soil can become polluted by industrial sources or the improper disposal of toxic chemical substances. Common sources of soil pollution include asbestos, lead, PCBs, and overuse of pesticides and herbicides. You know, farmers use pesticides, but sometimes those pesticides used in excess can harm the soil itself, right? So, this is what soil pollution is all about. Then we have light pollution. Light pollution refers to the large amount of light produced by most of the urban areas and other highly populated areas Light pollution prevents citizens from seeing features of the night sky and has also been shown to impede the migration patterns of birds and activities of the nocturnal animals. What are the nocturnal animals? Which usually are awake at night, related to night, associated with night in some way or the other. So that is what we're talking about here. Then noise pollution. Noise pollution typically refers to human-made noises that are either very loud or disruptive in manner. This type of pollution has been shown to impact the movement of sea mammals such as dolphins and whales, and also impacts the nesting success of birds. So this is what noise pollution is. It really is destroying the environment. The birds, the animals, even the dogs are really scared of noises. I just think how it may affect the street dogs and the street animals. These noise pollutions during when we burst firecrackers aimlessly just for our entertainment, it scares them a lot. So this is what we're talking about in pollution, right? So we talked about the types of pollutants and the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, light and noise pollution. That is all for pollution, and I hope all of you learned about it, and now you know what you're not supposed to do at least. So that is all for today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.